Atsui, thick. Atsui, hot. Flat adjective, 起伏 adjective. So we can say, it's a bit confusing. 熱くて熱いトースト。熱くて熱いトースト。Hot and thick toast. As I said in the last video, we can say toast with totally flat in this case. So we can say 熱くて熱いトースト or 熱くて熱いトースト. Both of them are good. 熱くて熱いトースト。熱くて熱いトースト. We can say 熱くて熱いトースト or 熱くて熱いトースト. 起伏 adjectives have two styles in conjugations. Please watch this video. 熱くて熱いトースト hot and thick toast. Someone say 熱くて熱いトースト a hot and thick toast. Nowadays, about 起伏 adjectives, we can use flat style conjugation patterns. So we can say 熱くて熱いトースト or 熱くて熱いトースト and 熱くて熱いトースト or 熱くて熱いトースト. All of them are good. So you can read these two with the same pattern. 熱くて. I don't like it because it's hard to distinguish, but it's okay. Don't worry about them too much. We don't usually say the kind of thing. This is just an exercise for the Japanese pitch accent. Good luck with your studies.